Simplify the expression 1 over x plus 3 over x squared all over x plus 27 over x squared. So we want to find the LCD. And the LCD from x squared and x is x squared. So what we want to do, we want to take the LCD and we want to multiply it to every term we see in this complex fraction. Our goal is to not have the denominators that's in the complex fraction. So I'm going to rewrite the question over and we're going to leave some space between each term, and let's divide out those denominators. We're going to take the LCD and we're going to times it, meaning multiply it, to each term. And then we're going to simplify each term, meaning reduce it. So let's look at the first term, 1 over x times x squared over 1. Let's divide out. X divides into x squared. We have x times. Then we're going to take the x and multiply it to the 1. Okay, so let's write that step. We'll write that step down in a few minutes. But let's go ahead and simplify the rest of these. 3 over x squared times x squared over 1. Well, the x squareds divide out. We will be left with 3. Your denominator. Well, we don't have anything to divide out here, but we have x times x squared. We multiply those together, we would have x cubed plus 27 over x squared times x squared over 1. Well, the x squareds divide out, and we'll be left with 27. So let's rewrite what we have. We have x plus 3 over x cubed plus 27. So we are that much closer to our answer. We divided out the denominators of this complex fraction, or we reduced them, and now we want to make sure that this expression is in simplest form. So, or is in factored form. Well, x plus 1, we can't do anything to this. X plus 3, we can't do anything to that, is x plus 3. But x cubed plus 27, this can be factored. If you remember, this is the sum of cubes. So we're going to factor that denominator. We have x plus 3, and then the sum of cubes, your first parenthesis is a binomial. Then your second parenthesis will be a trinomial. Now that the denominator is factored, can we divide out any pairs that's common, or do you see a pair that's common to the numerator and denominator? Well, yes, we see x plus 3. Okay, let's divide that out. And since the numerator divides out, it divides out to being 1. So our answer, we have 1 over x squared minus 3x plus 9.